Hello guys, my name is Manan Wale and welcome to Jack Presents. You all have heard of the term online courses, which is right now one of the most trending subtopic on the internet. And in this video, we will be talking about how to kickstart our journey, or we can say jumpstart our journey of online courses with the help of Google online courses, which are available right now on the internet at the cost of zero. And in today's video, we will be talking about the digital marketing course offered by Google, and which is one of the best courses on digital marketing right now on the internet. And after with certification and after doing this course, we can proudly say in the interview,
जो मेरे पास है वो तुम्हारे पास नहीं है। कैसी अपमानजनक बातें कर रहा है लड़का, ये अश्लील है ये लोंडा।
just joking, let's get on to the video. Hello guys, as you can see right now here, we are in the Google tab, and we have to just write Google Digital Garage, and we write, or you can see our current link, or also get to this page. We click the first link here, and can also get to by the link in the description. And we can say first, we can say there are many there are options like the online courses, certification, live training, remote working. Or first we will go to find your course. As we can see, there are many courses right now, right there, from, you can say, from digital marketing, you can say from business to other expand business to other countries, and say content about content creation, and understanding basics of code. From, you can say, from marketing to coding, every type of courses are available for free. It is 160 courses, and right now we will go to this digital marketing. Because you can see, this is the 40-hour courses and it has 26 modules. I myself have done this course, and you can say it is right now, and every detail, almost every detail has been covered in these courses. Yeah. As we move forward here, there's an option to start course, and if you want to know about more about a course, here all the information is present here, right? You can see it is it has a 40-hour course. It is for beginners, and it's a self-paced learning, unlimited access, video tutorial, recognized certificate. And there's one main positive factor about this course, that is it gets a certificate. And not all the, even in Google, not all the courses get certificate. And you can see, it is for beginner, it is quite long, but it is very effective, and you can say one of the most, let's say, best courses on digital marketing. And because how it works, you can say learn new skills, a bite-sized video tutorials, 40 questions exam. Yes, and one main point I observed while learning from this course, you can say we get a quiz, or you can say get an MCQ format. After every module we learn, and this, you can say, this point brainstorms our knowledge and helps to get better understanding in the topic. And I can say third point is download and showcase our qualification on LinkedIn and CV. Yes, it obviously CV better the CV. And the online, yes, you can say all the modules list are here. All the skills are there: analytics, business strategy, content marketing, e-commerce, email marketing, display advertising. All these factors are being covered with many other these factors like local marketing, mobile, and much more. Yes, because these are the information. It is, you can see, this site itself is quite clean, and you can say very better. And to start, you can say just click on the start course, and just now you can say we have to, let's register ourselves with our email ID or sign in with Google. And yes, one of the best factors about this course is that we get a certificate that directly indirectly improves our CA, and most of all, about its quality about this course is enhance our efficiency about digital marketing and increase our knowledge. And yes, as being a commerce student, or can say college student, and this certificate has increased the chances of getting an internship. And you can say I get better internship opportunities by learning this course. And you can say this is one of the best courses available on digital marketing right now for free, and which we get one of the best certificate. So guys, this is it, how we can enroll ourselves on this Google online courses. And if this video is informative for you, please like, share and subscribe. And Let's meet on the next video. If you want to know more about business commission, please please watch this video right here. And which topic should I cover on the next video? Please comment down below. Thank you guys for watching this video and keep watching Jack Presents.